In this video, I will talk about some MCQ of IT Act, Information Technology Act. So, question number 1 is there. Many cyber crime comes under the Indian Penal Code. Which one of the following is an example? जो साइबर क्राइम आईपीसी में आते हैं क्या एग्जाम्पल है? लाइक सेंडिंग थ्रेटनिंग मैसेज बाय ईमेल, ये भी आएगा. फॉर्जरी बाय इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड, ये भी आईपीसी में कवर्ड होगा. बोगस वेबसाइट. सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव. सो द आंसर विल बी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. The Information Technology Act 2000 is an act of Indian Parliament notified on. So the date is 17th of October 2000. Then question number 3 is their digital signature certificate. So that is the statutory requirement under various application. तो जहाँ पे स्टैट्यूटरी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी डिजिटल सिग्नेचर की सर्टिफिकेट की वहीं पे अप्लाई होगा. Then question number 4 is there. Accessing computer without prior authorization is a cyber crime. That comes under, that is covered under section 66. Then next question is that what means a person who has been granted a license to issue electronic signature certificate. So that is certifying authority. Certifying authority is a person who has been granted a license to issue electronic signatures. Then question number 6 is there. What is a data that has been organized or presented in a meaningful manner? So the answer will be information. Right. Then question number 7 is that what is an application of information and communication technology for delivering government services? That is governance, electronic governance, governance and ethics, risk and governance. So that is electronic governance. Question number 8 is there. The altering of data so that it is not usable unless the changes are done in. So this is encryption. Then authentication is what? Authentication is to assure identity of user on a remote system. This is authentication. And question number 10 is the following cannot be exploited by assigning or by licensing the right of other. So that is trademark. Even the following cannot be exploited by assigning or by licensing the right of other. So that is basically trademark. This is the answer. Now next set is the investigator has to take the following precaution while collecting evidence. Which option is incorrect? So the first option is videotaping the scene, document the system configuration and initial condition of the site before arrival. ये तो सही है. Then photograph the equipment with serial number, model number, writing a scheme. It is also correct. Then seeks magistrate permission before investigating a cognizable offence. That is wrong. Then question number 2 again, that is section 70 about access or attempt to access by an unauthorized person a protected computer system as notified by the government in the official gazette, where punishment may extend up to the 10 years and fine is. So that is cognizable, non-billable. Then question number 30 section 74 है ये relation में, like publication of digital signature certificate for fraudulent purpose where imprisonment may extend to 2 years or with fine which may extend to 1 lakh or both is. So that is non-cognizable and bailable. Question number 4 is when to start investigation. So that is first option, after receiving permission from cyber cell, after receiving authority from senior inspector of police, in case of cognizable offence after lodging of FIR under section 154, as soon as non-cognizable offence is brought to the notice of police. So the right option will be in case of cognizable offence after lodging of FIR under section 154, the investigation will be started. Then question number 5 is hacking means. Hacking का मतलब क्या होगा? So that is unauthorized attempt to bypass the security mechanism of an information system or network. दैट इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर कि अनऑथराइज वे से आप बाईपास कर रहे हो किसी सिक्योरिटी मैकेनिज्म को और आप कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन ले रहे हो या नेटवर्क के थ्रू. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज डेटा थेफ्ट इंक्लूड. सो दैट इज data theft means without option number D, that is without the permission of person who is in charge of computer to download, copy or extract any data, computer database or information from computer. Then question number 7 is there. In following case, the Honorable Supreme Court struck down Section 66A of the Information Technology Act. So that is Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. Then question number 8 is the following laws section were amended passed to combat pornography of an aggravated form. So that is Section 66A and 66B of IT Amendment Act 2008. Then question number 9 is there, prosecution has to give copies of. So option number B will be there, like only those copies of electronic record which are contained external hard disk, pen drive, CD, etc. So सिर्फ यही देना होगा. Then question number 10 is the following section draw a presumption that a secure electronic record has not been altered since the point of time to which the secure status relates. So that is section 85B of Indian Evidence Act. So this is all about some 20 MCQ of IT Act. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe.